Hello everyone, hello, welcome to the latest video on my channel, Digger Evans Model Railway. Today we're looking at the latest kit from Scale Model Scenery. It's road crash barriers. I have to emphasise, I've bought this kit myself. They didn't send it me to test or anything like that. They don't know I'm testing it on a video. I'm just going to run with it and see what it looks like. I forget off the top of my head how much I paid. I think it might have been about £5, something like that. If you are interested in buying it, I will leave a link under the video in the write-up, and you can have a look yourselves. And if you buy it using that link, that does help this channel, because we'll get a discount on things later on. It looks fairly straightforward. It really does. It's just a board, laser board yet again. We've got some ends here for it. The actual barriers themselves are here, and these are the stanchion legs. The rectangles should be glued each side of that stick there. So we've got a rectangle either side of that leg. And we'll nip these out and see what they look like. We'll see what it all looks like. You need a good blade, a very sharp blade for this. I'm not sure if it's cut right through there. I usually flip them over and cut both sides, if you can see that. I don't want to take a lot of your time up, but I just wanted to put a bit of it together so we can see just how easy it is to build, basically. So we've got the 3 bits here. There's 3 bits there. There's a few glues you can use: PVA, rocket card, or laser card glue. I'm just going to use this as rocket card glue. I'm just going to put a tiny drip. You don't need a lot onto that, and I'll stick this side on. The vast majority of these you see on the side of the road are unpainted, just bare metal. And so that's what I'm going to spray these. I'm going to spray these a steel colour. It's easy to lose this, very easy. Ooh. I'm putting glue everywhere apart from on there. So that's the leg done. That's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that's the leg that's going to sorry, where am I? There. That's the leg here that'll hold the fence up. So we'll cut a length of this out. You can use it in depots where wagons are coming in and out, and trucks and things. You can use it side of the motorway, places like that, which is where we usually see it in the UK. And I'll just run this through this way. So I'm sorry, I've got a little dog in here messing around, and I've also got the parrot messing about as well. So I'm hoping everything goes all right and they don't get in the way. So that's the crash barrier out. As you can see, it's got little bolt holes and things in there. I don't know if that's focused good enough. Little bolt holes as they go along. The leg will go in the centre of this at that type of height, and so I'll just ding a bit of glue on here and put that on. It's a very easy build, it looks. so far. I haven't previewed it, looked at it, opened it or anything. I've just opened it on camera now to do this build, so it's as new to me as it is to you guys. Yeah, looks okay. There we've got the first one. I'm going to spray this silver and glue it onto the side of the road so it looks realistic for a British setting. Well, that glue, I've just removed it. The next thing we want to do is actually join a few pieces together so we can produce a long run. And how we do that is by producing more of these legs, gluing more of those legs, and just glue them end to end. Just glue them end to end. That's all it is really. I was just going to show you that. I have no idea if it's going to be quick, slow, easy or what, but it seems a very quick, easy build for just a few quid. And once they're painted up and glued in place, they're going to look the bee's knees. They really do look good. The detail on the rail, all laser cut, as you see the details on these rails are very, very good. And I think they're better than the plastic extruded alternative that's 3 or 4 times the price and not quite as good in my opinion. So that's another one. Well done, Scale Model Scenery. That's another successful little kit you've come up with. That's everything I'm going to show you for now. The next video I'm doing, I'm going to be showing you how I do some resin casting, and Jerry Citeriali has asked me specifically to do that, so that's what I will be doing in the next video. Thank you all ever so much for watching. Thank you everyone who subscribed. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate each and every single one of you who has subscribed, and I appreciate the support I've been given. Thank you all very much. If you do like what you see and you're new to the channel, please do subscribe for more content like this. Thank you all very much. Take care. Bye bye for now.